Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day so far. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, October 2nd. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm still having audio issues with my new gaming PC. That's supposed to be better. And as I mentioned yesterday, maybe my sound card is too good, but things sound very strange in my ears. And I'm working on things like buffering and latency and things like that, but we'll get it figured out. Thanks for being here, guys. Let me get you back over to the daily frame, shall we? We're about to open, by the way. It's 9:29, 55 seconds away from the open. Daily frame, NASDAQ and the S&P. We have inside days here. Big down day yesterday, as most of you know. We got war going on. We got port strikes and all kinds of interesting things happening. A lot of unrest, a lot of uncertainty out there, but we have an inside day so far. That's Asia and part of the UK session, and about to open in 30 seconds on New York. That can change very quickly. So inside day on both, and marginal, well, bearish bodies for now on the inside day. So really anything goes here depending on what happens on the open. Let's go over to the two sisters, NASDAQ and S&P, about to open in 10 seconds here. We will get that 1 minute open range on the NASDAQ and the S&P. But waiting for the 1 minute. There it is, guys. We'll have the 1 minute open range soon enough. I'll be cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments. I'm going to try to talk as little as possible because of the annoying sound in my ear. But I will bring you back for the most relevant moments, and we'll certainly talk about any important speaking points. I'll put you on pause for now, and I will bring you back. All right, guys, we're back. The first 1 minute is complete. You see it there. This is my trading grid daily 30 minute. You see the range that we're in from Asia and UK so far. And now we have that 1 minute open range. But what I'm also showing you here today, and I've been doing this a little bit more lately because of this phenomenon that I've been seeing, is this is the London open range at 3 a.m. New York time. See that there? 1 minute open range. Lots of oscillation, vacillation, deviation, up and down, beyond and below the open range. Notice how the New York open range is essentially identical to the London open range. This is a very important level, certainly for the first couple of hours. For the first 2 hours of the day between 9:30 a.m., which is now, and 11:30, Europe is still open. These same participants are still playing in the game, and so that's an important level. And you can see that prices have come all the way back to the UK open range, which means Germany as well, and other European markets. And this is where we're kind of leveraging off of from. I'll remove the London open range so we can focus on the task at hand. I'm going to jump down to the 30-second chart here for some more surgical precision. Just out of the open, we are range bound here on the 30-minute chart, guys. See that there? And again, inside day on the daily, and so that by definition is range bound as well, hopefully for obvious reasons. Pushing above open range now. Back to the two sisters. We are just back into from below on the S&P, and so we have slightly divergent messages here, certainly misaligned, and so I won't be doing anything here out of the gates. Just be watching here, guys. Very patient this morning, and pulling back to the top of the open range here. Weak on the S&P, so we're getting some divergent behavior, as I mentioned. There's a break and retest of the open range. I'll be watching things closely here. Let's see if the S&P can firm up here a little bit. Notice the bearish EMA configuration, series of lower lows and lower highs, equal highs here on the open. Now dropping down. Bearish configuration on the NASDAQ as well. Coming in. It's a little break above, a little spike above, but weakening again. Nothing to do. All right, guys, dropping down here below open range on both. Pulling you back. Let's take a look here. I'm not doing anything yet. This is just a marker. Nothing yet. This is not live, guys. I will tell you if I go live. We have this zone down here, not a major zone. This one is much more important. 1, 2 major rejections from down here. Let's take a look at the sizing on this. All right, guys, sell stop order right there. Sell stop order right there. I'll be right back. All right, guys, canceling that idea. I'm not loving it right now. It could absolutely drop down. I just had a little check in my gut saying don't do this yet. A little too much going on here. 1, 2, 3. This could absolutely blow through, guys, on the downside, but it's not optimal for me. It's just okay. I'd rather trade optimal on the market open here. Two sisters. All right, this is looking better here, guys. Sell stop, guys, if that candle breaks itself right there. I like the way it's hanging out here on this zone. Here we go. In, guys. In. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. First trade of the day. This could be fairly quick. Into that next range on the 30. You see that there? Back down to the 30-second chart here, guys. Just gives you a bit more detail on the ebb and flow. Now, if we get past this piece here, I'm going to move my stop to break even immediately. In fact, even if we tag that line right there, I'll move stop to break even. Here we go, guys. Stop to break even. Lock in is short, no lose. Why am I short here, guys? Bearish body, daily inside, breaking zone, failed attempt higher, negative moving average configuration coming into the session, one spike above and then failing almost immediately with the S&P weak from the get-go and supporting and aligning with this trade. There it is, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day. We'll talk soon.